Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you all how I installed this first lock crochet braid on my super short natural hair. Yeah, it wasn't easy because it was my first time of installing crochet braid on very short hair, and I even used the braidless method, the African threading method. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. And yes, it's a bit scanty even though I use 4 packs of this. But anyways, let's get to the video. This is my Africa threading method that I used in installing my crochet braid. Yeah, my hair is super short, it is not that neat, but it will do. Here is a short clip of how I made the threading method. Yeah, this threading method is really nice because it helps your hair to grow under your crochet. So now let's install our crochet. I am starting from the back because I want to show you guys how the back of my hair looks like. As you can see, it is not that neat. It's not easy making your hair yourself, especially on a super short hair like mine.
Fresh boy, wait up easy. I got the cat that you need him. Plus I got the swag that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. It is so undeniable, baby girl. One day till the morning, cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne, no, not time for darling. Give it to me more. Music's playing, everybody dance, everybody dance, everybody feel the same. Baby dance, yeah, ole yeah. Many music there to play, dance, yeah, ole yeah. Ole ya, this music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, if you my flow, oh ya make you take a slow. It's okay, if you my flow, don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, if you my flow, come on make you take a slow. Come on, if you my flow, don't fool me, my baby. Killing it again, yeah, you know. But they in the beauty, hey, is that easy? This music, hey, hey, baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music there to play, dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, if you my flow, oh ya make you take a slow. It's okay, if you my flow, don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, if you my flow, come on make you take a slow. Come on, if you my flow, don't fool me, my baby.
Dance ya, ole ya, no they play me like player. Oh ya, jó fún mi, my lady. Oya come on, let my jó lọ. Baby dance ya, oh leya. No dey play me like player. Oya jó fún mi, my lady. Oya come on, let my jó lọ. Yes, mama, turn your swag on, cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor. You know you kill all. Call the DJ spin all. They be asking what's my name. They be asking, say what's my name. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na.
Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music they to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oya kumole, be my flow. Oya make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby.
Baby dance ya, oh leya. No dey play me like player. Baby me kojo dada, cause you know I flow ada.
It's that cheesy. Rushy boy, wait up easy. I got the cat that you need him. Plus I got the swag that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. Your beauty so undeniable. Baby girl, one day till the morning. Cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne. No, not time for darling.
So guys, this is the end product of my hair. It's a bit scanty. I actually wanted it scanty. I never liked full hair. So this is how it came out. These are the coils. Where? It's not bad, I guess. So thanks for staying with me, guys. We've come to the end of this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.